Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, where here I'm going to show you a little trick or a little tip. I grabbed this stick from an old plastic, not plastic, paper that I use for masking. Some bring the cardboard stick, this one bring the plastic. This is the brand from Sherwin-Williams, and I'm not sponsored by them, just showing the kind of paper I use, where I get the stick from. So it's this one, 18-inch. When I buy the 7-inch, it don't bring the plastic stick, but the 18-inch bring a plastic stick. So I grab this plastic stick and I make it into sanding black. I was throwing them out, then I figured out I could save them. So now I got two. I have another one here that have with 320. So this one got 80 grit. So you guys gonna see, I'm sanding this part here with the stick. 18-inch, perfect for like trucks like this, like square body. You got the round part, you know. So this is a good tip you should consider, because I have a Durablock, which I'm not sponsored by them neither. They don't give me a dime, but if they would, I would sponsor them. I mean, I would promote them. But for now, I'm not getting a sponsor. This is a stick, Durablock. This is probably, I want to say, like 12 inches or so. This is what I used to use, but you see the difference, how small versus this that is like a little bit longer. So it's better for like doing this kind of doors, doing the fenders. You know, you could do like the bed in the back, because they're longer, so you get it even. You know, you could cut the bundle more even. So it's a tip for you guys to try out when you guys buy stuff from Sherwin-Williams, or you can grab a pipe from the store and make your own. But right now, this is what I do. I don't buy nothing, it's free. It comes with the paper. So just an idea for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit like, share. I'll be posting little stuff like that once in a while, little tips that come to my mind. So thank you for watching, and like I said, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.